Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Adlina Binti Ishak. My matric number is EN180054. My supervisor is Dr. Mimi Suzila Binti Muhammad and my title is Non-Woven Water Filter made from banana and palm oil fiber. In this presentation, there are 4 contents which are introduction, literature review, methodology, and expected result. Agriculture wastes are increasing due to higher food supply as the population increases. As example, banana and palm oil plantation has generated this waste. After the banana are harvested, they will produce waste such as leaf, pseudostem, peels, rotten fruits, and more. Next, the waste produced from the palm oil are pressed fruit fiber, empty fruit bunch, oil palm shell, oil palm trunks, and oil palm fronds. Only 71% of the global population has the access to the safe water sources, whereas 29% more are lacking of access to the safe water sources. Wastes are increasing due to higher food supply as the population increases. Agricultural wastes are usually dumped or burned in open area, thus resulting in air pollution, soil contamination, and water pollution. This study is to minimize the environmental problems by using waste from banana and palm oil to produce non-woven filter to treat river water. The banana and palm oil waste are collected from the Kampung Jawa, Panca Johor. The fiber is synthesized by needle punching process using a needle punching non-woven machine from Non-Woven Engineering Technology Laboratory in UTH Pago. Next, the characteristic of banana and palm oil non-woven filter is analyzed by using FESEM, EDX, FTIR, and stereo microscope. The water is collected from the Panca River, Pago, Johor. The collected water sample are tested for parameters that include pH, turbidity, TDS, TSS, BOD, DO, EN, and COD. Water quality index of the parameters before and after treatment are investigated and compared to the Interim National Water Quality Standard INWQS to determine the classes of the water. The significance of this study is to explore new knowledge on the development of sustainable water filter made of banana and palm oil fiber for the river water treatment. We will continue to the literature review. Contaminations of river water can caused by the loadings of organics, nutrients, sediments, and microorganisms in the water. The source of the river water contaminations are divided into 2, which are the point source and non-point source. Point source are the waste that came from the industries, sewage treatment plants, and the agriculture activities, whereas the non-point source are the waste that came from the surface runoff. River water contaminations can affect both human health and the environment. As example, for the human health, waterborne disease such as cholera, giardia, and typhoid can affect them, and besides, health risks such as respiratory disease, cancer, and diarrheal disease which can affect the human health. Besides, the environment can get the algal bloom, and the contamination also lower the organism's lifespan, and it can cause excessive suspended sediment. There are several methods of river water treatment. Aeration, coagulation and flocculation, sedimentation and filtration are the methods that used to treat the river water. Non-woven filter is made up of the tiny layers of material that are formed by compressing the fibers and the filaments together. The natural random structure of the textile increases the possibility of a particle getting captured by the fibers. In the methodology, I will discuss about the methodology and the material involved in synthesis of banana and palm oil fiber to be used as a non-woven water filter. So here, it shows about the flowchart of this study. From the flowchart, the first is the river water sampling. The study is conducted at Pancho River, Pago. Next is water sample characterization. The sample, we will go for the characterization of turbidity, pH, chemical, COD, DO, BOD, TSS, TDS, and AN. Next is the collection of banana trunk and palm oil empty fruit bunch. The banana trunk are collected from the Kampung Cawal, Johor, while the palm oil are collected from Pago Palm Oil Mill. The collected banana trunk and palm oil are going to extraction of the fiber. Next is the preparation of the non-woven water filter. The dried banana trunk and the palm oil fiber are shredded before use. Next, the fiber are converted into non-woven filter by a needle punching processes using a needle punching non-woven machine from the non-woven laboratory University Tun Hussein On, Malaysia, Pago. 3 types of non-woven filter is produced, which are banana fiber, palm oil fiber, and combination of banana and palm oil fiber. The characterization of non-woven filter are used FSM, EDX, and FTIR. Next is the filtration experiment. The filtration experiment are divided into 3, which are banana fiber, palm oil fiber, and combined banana and palm oil fiber. Next, the filtered water will go to the water quality testing for pH, DO, COD, BOD, turbidity, AN, TSS, and TDS. And lastly, the data analysis. For the expected result, it is expected that the non-woven filter will remove the contaminants in the river water. It's also expected that the tested water quality parameter, which are turbidity, pH, TSS, TDS, AN, BOD, and COD will be reduced after the treatment via the filtration experiment. Thank you, that's all from me.